I had had 4 previous back surgeries before coming to Dr. Babat. I walked around 14 months, bent over at the waist. I couldn't look up at the ground. I couldn't see myself in a mirror. I couldn't stand straight.
Failed back syndrome is a term that we can use to apply to anybody who's had an operation on their back, or in more general terms, anywhere in their spine that hasn't worked out very well. For some people, they've never had any relief from the operation. For others, they have several months of significant relief, and then the results deteriorate, and often they're left worse off than they were before they started the whole process.
My previous back surgeon did not want me to have another surgery right away. But Dr. Babat, when I came here, said that there was some hardware that was the wrong size in my body. It was protruding, causing an issue, so it needed to come out immediately, and then he would have to rebuild my back. So we did that within 2 weeks of my first visit here.
Carolyn had 3 or 4 operations on her spine before she got here. In her case, it was a combination of a couple fusions that hadn't taken, 1 or 2 fusions that had taken but were not in an ideal position, and then some additional problems that had developed as a result of that. So to solve this problem, we actually needed to extend her fusion considerably higher, but dramatically realign her spine.
Dr. Babat, I can't say enough about. He absolutely has done what he said he would do. He told me up front, this is what you can expect. This is the quality of life you can expect. You're going to have a problem the rest of your life, but it's going to be a much better situation than what you've had. The first time I was up out of the bed here at the hospital, I was able to stand up straight. I was able to see myself in a mirror for the first time in 14 months. I can stand up straight.
In Carolyn's case, I'm delighted. She seems to be very happy. Certainly her level of function and pain have changed significantly. This is just, in my opinion, a wild success for a wonderful woman. These are complex problems to diagnose, to really figure out how to fix, and then difficult operations to do. But frankly, it's why I get up in the morning and why I went to med school. The opportunity to help people like this is just, again, makes everything worthwhile.
Dr. Babat does do what he says he'll do. If I need him for anything, all I do is make a phone call. Dr. Babat, the staff here, they have been immensely great to me.